Hello my friend, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set alerts with sounds, alarms in your Telegram channels. Particularly I'm using IA Global Telegram channels for alerts. So how you set up different alarms for different groups or channels so that you get the notification immediately. So once open the Telegram channel, like here I have set it up to FX Mentor. Now FX Sniper Pro. Okay, I'm opening this. Once you, let me show you Sniper Pro, you touch that, it will open like this. Touch at the top FX Sniper Pro, touch that. Here you see notification, just touch that. Here you see turn on, mute for 2 days, customize. So here enable customer notification, you have to tick that. And once you do that, select message preview sound. You have to select the sound, whatever your mobile is. You can select whatever the sound you want. Like I select rainforest. In that rainforest, I can check what is the sound which I will be getting, like two-toed, sloths, harpy eagle, toucan. Yeah. So I will check toucan. So I'll set this. Need to touch the bell icon here on the right hand top corner. Select tone, select this ringtone. Okay. Done that. It's applied successfully. Now go back. Just click the back button here on the right hand top left corner, the arrow or the button on your mobile phone. Back. Here you can change the color of the notification also here. You can put a green. So color will change and you will see. So this all. Change the color, set that sound. Now go back, done. So until FX Sniper Pro I have done. So same way FX Pro, touch the top FX Pro notification, customize, enable customer notification, sound. Let me select Savannah. So cheetah.